Hey, what is up, guys? So in this video we're gonna be learning the if statement. Okay, so I was about to upload this video and I already recorded it, but I don't know, there's some glitch in YouTube or so. When I uploaded the video it had no audio. I tried doing it multiple times, but the video had no audio. So if you guys know why that was happening, you can just let me know. Alright, so let's start with the if statement. Okay, so these if statement or the conditional statements make our program, I mean, they make them capable of making decisions. So I mean, like they help them decide what to do and whatnot. So it's kind of like if there's this certain situation. So if that situation occurs, only then a certain piece of code will be executed. And if that does not occur, then that piece of code won't be executed. So once we do a few program, things will be way clearer. So let's start. So let's say we get an age. Let's say we get the marks of the students. Okay, marks. Okay, and then let's convert it into an integer input, and then enter the marks of the student. Okay, so okay, so this will store the marks scored by a student, and then let's say he scores more than 90. So if he scores more than 90, we want our program to display saying, hey, you are the topper of the class. And then if he does not score 90, we want him to do something else. Okay, so only if he gets 90, only then it's going to say, hey, you are the topper of the class. So if, and then now we're going to write a condition that's gonna return a true or false statement. If it's false, then the code we write inside of the if statement won't be executed. So if the marks is greater than 90, what's gonna happen? It's gonna print saying, hey, you are the topper of the class. Okay, so let's run. Let's say 98. Hey, you're the topper of the class. Okay, so what if my marks are less than 90? It's not gonna do anything because this statement is executed only if the marks of the student is more than 90. Okay, so if the marks of the student is less than 90, so nothing gets executed, which means this piece of code gets ignored. So let's just make it a bit more interesting, and let's say we add another condition. So it says if the marks are less than 90, then it's gonna do something else. Okay, so let's say, so we can write if, and then we can write the statement, but for multiple if statements we use elif. So you can write if, but we generally write elif. We don't write if twice. Okay, so elif, and then now we write the condition. So if marks is uh, less than or equal to 90, then we're gonna print saying you are not the topper. Okay, now let's see. Let's say I scored 34. It says you are not the topper. Let's say I scored 78. You're not the topper. Let's say I scored 92. It says, hey, you're the topper of the class. So that's basically how we use the if and then this elif statement. So in the next video I will be teaching you guys what are else, so how effectively we can use the else statements and what are those. So yeah, so I want you to guys to write a simple program where you're going to be getting the inputs from the user, and that's going to be the age of the user. And then if their age is more than 18, you're going to want to print saying, hey, you can vote. And if their age is less than 18, you're going to say, okay, so try next time. Okay, so that's basically what I want you guys to build. And yeah, if you guys like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.